How to fix Facebook dating location mismatch. So the only way you can pretty much set or manage your locations is going to be here on the top right corner over this little icon, the one with the little profile. Press on that and you will enter this section. Once you're here, you're gonna have to go inside dating preferences. You'll have lots of other options like dating location, distance, but what you're gonna go to is your dating location. So from here, if your location is in the right place, you could add a location if you like, but that doesn't really change your primary dating location. If you want, you can go ahead and refresh. There's a refresh button over here you can press to basically just reset your location. So as long as your location status is turned on, your location services, I mean, it should just find your location quite well and quite near you. So make sure you don't have any VPN or fake location apps as well that is enabled or toggled on, and you can allow Facebook to have your location permission. Once you create a dating app or your Facebook dating, it will ask you for your location and you're just going to go ahead and allow those permissions. And finally, you can restart and update your app. So close your Facebook, restart your phone if you like, and you can go ahead into your Play Store, search for Facebook, and make sure you are in the latest version. If there's any updates, you can press on that. So if the location still is a mismatch, even when your location is correct, you're at the specific spot where you are, it may be a Facebook side issue and you're gonna have to wait a while. And you also have the option to ask for help and support inside Facebook, and you can report that problem from there. So you usually can't force Facebook dating to use a random city as well. So if your real phone location is too far from your dating location, Facebook may block new matches until you update it. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.